Hello everyone. So today part 2 video of the chapter 21 we discuss in this video. So food and fun. So all of you, I hope everybody see the part 1 video very nicely and get the well ideas about the Gurudwara. And let me tell you about the Gurudwara once again. The Gurudwara is a place of worship of Sikh people, and so Gurudwara has a prayer hall, kitchen, and dining hall. In the Gurudwara hall, where Sikhs serve free hot meal every day, also known as langar. This all we discuss in the first part of this chapter video. So more about we discuss in that chapter's video. Hostel is a place where students live while studying, and hostel food is plain in taste. We all discuss about the there are other places like hostels, picnic, and party where people get together and eat together. So these all thing in the first part of the video. Today is the second part of this video. We discuss about the chapters. So let's start about the second part of this video. My dear students, everybody should keep watch very nicely up to the last. At the last, few question also there, so keep watching full video up to the last, all of you. And in front of you, everybody open your textbook, page number 174. So here is the chapters, page 174. Everybody see food and fun, chapter 21. Tring, the doorbell rang when Manpreet opened the door. She saw Divya and Swastik there. She called out excitedly, Gurnur, look who has come. Gurnur came running. When she saw her friend, she hugged them happily. When did you come? From the hostel. Boarding school? Just yesterday. Where are your parents? We want to meet them, Swastik said. So in a boarding school, the student stay at the school during the school term, and the students only go home for the holiday. Understood everybody? And the hostel in the boarding school where the student stay. There are at the Gurudwara. We were about to go there too, Gurnu replied. Oh good, we will also come with you, said Divya. Gurudwara. Gurudwara is a place of worship of Sikh peoples. You see the picture everybody? Gurudwara is a place of worship of Sikh people. Here is a picture of famous Gurudwara in Amritsar in Punjab. Punjab, you see in the map the shaded regions. So see, it is also known as Golden Temple. You come home only in the vacation. Do you like staying in your hostel? You must be missing your parents, Gurnur asked. Dibya said, we do miss them, but hostel life is fun. Even if we don't always like the food, we enjoy eating together with all the children. You know, when someone in our hostel gets homemade food, we all rush to their homes. That food finishes within minutes, Shastik said laughingly. So, students, do you study in a boarding school? If you do not, try to talk with someone who goes to a boarding school and find out in what ways is boarding school different from other school. This boy is asked and write its answer. So see what the answer of this question. In a boarding school, children are allowed to go home only during holidays. Yes, my dear student. What kind of food do they get there? They get rice, dal, fruits, and vegetables. They are served healthy foods at the hostel. Where do the children sit and eat in the boarding school? The children sit in the dining hall and eat together. Who cooks food for the children in the boarding school? Who serve the food? A cook prepares food for the children in the boarding school. The helpers serve the food. Who wash the vessels? The helper washed the vessels. Older children wash their own plates. So, do the children miss homemade food sometimes? Yes, they miss homemade food. At the Gurdwara, the children, all the way to the Gurdwara, they covered their heads. Yes, everybody, you should cover your heads before entering into Gurudwara as a sign of respect. Understood, students? Now they went into kitchen of the Gurudwara. It was very huge. A lot of activity was going on there. So in the kitchen, food was being cooked in a huge vessel. On one side, the chana and urad dal was boiling. See, this is the chana. Yes, students, and this is the urad dal. So both are boiling. In another vessel, the cauliflower and potato vegetable was being made. There is your Papa, Gurnur. Let's us go and meet him, Swastik said. What are you doing here? Manjit Singh was happy to see the children. See, Manjit Singh. Uncle, can we also have in the kitchen? What are you preparing? Swastik asked. Manjit Singh said, I am preparing Kadha Prasad. It's take a lot of effort to roast the flour in ghee in this big kadhai. This is a kind of halwa. Point to be noted, student. This is the kind of halwa. See in the picture. So here is the question. What is Kadha Prasad? Kadha Prasad is a sweet made up of wheat flour, sugar and ghee. It is distributed after Ardas. What is Ardas, student? Already I discussed in the first part of this video. Ardas is the unique prayer of Sikh religion. So after Ardas, this Kadha Prasad distributed to every people. Yes. Now you see, here is a big kadhai. In that, people frying dal in this big kadhai. And see, they show Manprit mother and rush to meet her. Divya asked, what are you doing, auntie? Beta, we are rolling chapatis to bake them in this tandoor. Tandoor, so many chapatis at one go. Divya was surprised. Can I help? Sure. Come and try. Here everyone can help, but wash your hands first, replied auntie. So guess students, what is this? This is a tandoor. Tandoor is a clay oven that is used to make chapati. Dibya washed her hand and joined the group near the tawa. The tawa was very hot. She started applying ghee on the chapatis. Swastik wondered aloud, who brings all the materials to cook so much food? One of the ladies answered, everyone here contributes in some way or the others. Some arrange for the materials, some give money, and others help in the work. So, Swastik, how do you like it? Have you ever cooked before? Teased Manpreet. No, but I am enjoying working with everyone, said Swastik. We hardly realized how all this food, chapatis, rice, halwa, dal, and vegetable. After Ardas, Kadha Prasad was distributed. Some of the boys quickly laid out duris in the veranda, and all the people sat down in rows to have langar. Some people served food and others served water. Everyone ate together. Ardas, I already said about the Ardas is a unique prayer of Sikh people. So after Ardas, Kadha Prasad was distributed. Eat on the mat on the floor for the langar. Here all the religions, all the peoples are sit together and eat food. So after finishing food, everyone picked up own plate and put it in a big drum. People who were serving it in the end. They clean the plates. Okay, students. The cooking and eating together in a Gurudwara is called langar. Have you ever eaten in a langar? Where and when? This is the questions. So let's see the answer. Yes, I have eaten in a langar at a Gurudwara near my house. So next question, how many people were cooking and how many were serving the food there? You can write answer by your own student as per your observation, 25 people and such. Are there others occasion when you have eaten with many people? Where and when? Who cooked and served the food there? Yes, during Diwali, we eat at the community hall in our neighborhood. All the people in our neighborhood come together and cook food and serve food. So, students, so these are what about the chapters discussions. Now, here is few questions related to the today's topic. So everybody think about the answers of these questions. So question number 1 is here, what is Kadha Prasad? And question number 2, I hope you know about this answer, my dear students. What is Kadha Prasad and what is Langar? Yes, we already discussed about these questions. I hope you can write this answer very nicely. What people do after finishing the Langar? Yes, students, think about this answer and write by your own. What did Divya like about hostel life? And the last questions, question number 5, draw of festival or occasions recently celebrated and attended by you, where you had fun and ate together with your family and friends. Yes, students, all of you do this, all questions, and think about the answers for these questions. So here we finish the chapters 21. So thank you, students. Revise it well of the chapters. Thank you, everybody. Stay home, stay safe.